Morning, student. In the previous chapter, we have discussed about the crop production and crop management. Now, the next chapter is microorganism, friend and foe. Today, we have to discuss about the what are microorganism and what are their general characteristics. So, firstly, we have to discuss what are microorganisms and why we call some organism as a microorganism. There are several kinds of plants and animals which exist on this earth. There are other living organisms around us which we normally cannot see. These are called microorganisms or microbes. For example, we might have observed that during the rainy season, moist bread gets spoiled and its surface gets covered with grayish white patches. When these patches are observed through a microscope, we will see tiny black rounded structure. These observations show that water and soil are full of tiny organisms. These microorganisms or microbes are so small in size that they cannot be seen with unaided eye or naked eye. That is why these are called microorganisms or microbes. Students, you all know that branch of science which deals with study of microorganism is called microbiology, and the scientists who study microorganism are called microbiology. Next topic we have to discuss what are the general characteristics of microorganism and what are the main scientists related with this branch. First we have to discuss what are the general characteristics of microorganism. First, as you know, microorganisms are either one-celled organism or a collection of undifferentiated cells. Second characteristics are they are visible only with the help of microscope. Third characteristics, they occur in all type of climates such as air, water, soil and on the body of living organism. Next characteristics, they can exist in extreme condition of temperature and drought, in hot water, springs as well as desert and marshy lands also. Microorganism may be different mode of nutrition as you studied in class 7. Autotrophs, heterotrophs, saprophytic or parasitic. Autotrophs means the organism which make their own food. Heterotrophs are those organisms which are depend on food for other. Saprophytic means the organism which depend on food for dead and decaying matter. And parasite, the organism which live inside the other animal's body and human beings are called parasite. Now, discovery of microorganism and some scientists related to discovery of microorganism. The discovery and our knowledge about microorganisms closely related with advancement of microscope, because students, you all know the microorganism can be seen with the help of microscope only. Some scientists associated with the microorganism are, first is Anton von Leeuwenhoek, who discovered the microscope. Second one is Louis Pasteur. He is known the father of bacteriology. Third one is Robert Koch, designed several techniques of handling bacteria.